I'm Spotlight on America national investigative correspondent Angie Moreski. Getting into a car accident is a terrible and sometimes troubling experience. Complicating it even more, we've discovered it's becoming more common to get hit by uninsured drivers. Nearly every state in the country requires drivers to have auto insurance, but more Americans than ever are going without or getting just the bare minimum required, often leading to troubling consequences. Traffic in Washington, D.C., like any city, can be stressful. But making it even worse, nearly 1 in 4 drivers here don't have auto insurance, putting the burden on drivers who do if there's an accident.
I've had that happen. Someone hit me from the back and they did not have insurance.
Our nation's capital is third worst in the country for uninsured motorists, behind Mississippi and New Mexico. Luckily, D.C. resident Ryan Vincent did have insurance, but she got stuck with all the bills, even though the accident wasn't her fault.
It's not pleasant, you know?
Unfortunately, it's a growing problem for all of us. New data from the Insurance Research Council shows 1 in 3 drivers nationwide is either uninsured or underinsured, up 10% since 2019.
It makes the roads less safe for everybody.
Mark Friedlander, Senior Director of Media Relations at the Insurance Information Institute, says it's leading to more hazardous driving.
We see more reckless behavior behind the wheel for uninsured motorists.
And he says it makes it more costly for those with auto insurance. Policyholders pay about $16 billion a year more for additional coverage to protect against and underinsured motorists. That's about $100 extra a year per vehicle. And premiums are also going up. A Bankrate survey found auto insurance rates are up more than 30% since 2023. Premiums are increasing. Is that a big part of the problem?
Clearly, it is a significant factor. Families need to choose, where are we going to spend our household budget?
Friedlander says rising costs for auto repairs and medical care are major reasons contributing to rate hikes.
It's a serious problem for every driver out there.
Morgan & Morgan personal injury attorney Gil Light says they see the dire consequences of under and uninsured motorists every day.
If you're in a very serious crash, you can easily run up hundreds of thousands of dollars in bills. If there's absolutely no insurance, that's a very difficult situation. There's not much that can be done.
Nearly 1 in 5 accidents with injuries involve damages higher than the at-fault driver's coverage limits.
Nobody understands this until they're in it.
The best defense, he says, is getting supplemental coverage to protect your interests if you're hit by someone who lacks coverage.
I get the whole package because I just want to be able to cover my bases in the event that I have something happen.
Penalties for driving uninsured vary from state to state, but can be significant, including fines, license suspension, having your car impounded, even jail time for repeat offenders. To find out where your state ranks on the list of uninsured and underinsured motorists, just head over to spotlightinvestigates.com and click on this story. We'll have all the data for you there. For Spotlight on America, I'm Angie Moreski.